What if the secret to slowing down cellular decay and reclaiming your vitality wasn't locked inside a multi-billion-dollar pharmaceutical laboratory, but was instead pressed and used thousands of years ago by the healthiest people who ever lived? Most people spend a lifetime chasing expensive anti-aging serums and synthetic supplements, unaware that ancient records were already prescribing specific sacred oils that modern science is now proving can support biological longevity at the genetic level, protect your DNA from oxidative stress, and help regenerate tissues that determine how young you look and feel. These aren't just symbolic liquids. They are biologically active compounds capable of supporting your body's own internal repair mechanisms. Today, we explore 7 sacred oils that target cellular aging, ranked from extraordinary to life-changing. Stick around for number 5, because it contains a rare compound that functions as a master regulator for your body's internal clock. And pay close attention to number 7, because modern oncologists are discovering its stunning ability to trigger cellular cleanup in damaged cells. If you want ancient wisdom backed by modern science, hit that subscribe button right now. The difference between a system that is breaking down and a state of ancient vitality is often found in a single drop. We begin with the most referenced oil in human history, olive oil. The olive tree is the ultimate symbol of longevity, with trees in Gethsemane still standing after 2,000 years. Ancient healers used it as the first line of medicine. Extra virgin olive oil contains oleocanthal, a polyphenol that science confirms has powerful anti-inflammatory mechanisms. It works to inhibit the enzymes responsible for inflammaging, the chronic inflammation that accelerates aging. With over 30 antioxidant compounds, it protects your mitochondria, the cellular engines that determine your biological age. Next is frankincense, the resin once worth more than gold. Its active compounds, boswellic acids, AKBA, are potent natural inhibitors of inflammation. Research shows these acids can cross the blood-brain barrier, providing neuroprotective effects that support cognitive health as we age. Topically, it supports cellular turnover, helping to reduce the appearance of sun damage and fine lines. Myrrh has been used for millennia to stop decay. It protects biological tissue through sesquiterpenes, which neutralize free radicals that damage DNA and collagen. Modern dermatology finds that myrrh actively supports skin elasticity, while its detoxifying properties support liver health, the organ most responsible for keeping us young from the inside out. The most expensive spice on earth, saffron, contains crocin and safranal. Research suggests saffron can be as effective as some pharmaceutical interventions for mood regulation without the side effects. Since chronic stress is a massive accelerator of biological aging and telomere shortening, saffron acts as a neurological shield, protecting the aging brain from oxidative stress. Walnut oil is the quiet powerhouse of the ancient world. It is a potent source of omega-3s, but its secret weapon is melatonin. Almost never found in the plant kingdom, this molecule signals your body to enter deep, restorative sleep, the only time your DNA truly repairs itself. It also contains allagitannins that support mitochondrial health and muscle preservation. In the ancient world, almond oil was a shield against the harsh sun. It is packed with vitamin E, alpha-tocopherol, a fat-soluble antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals in cell membranes. It improves skin barrier function and provides the magnesium necessary for over 300 enzymatic reactions that keep cellular aging at bay. Finally, we reach the oil said to heal everything but death. Black seed oil, Nigella sativa. Its primary compound, thymoquinone, is backed by hundreds of peer-reviewed papers. It induces apoptosis, helping the body clear out damaged cellular debris that causes disease. From lung function to immune support, it is the most documented anti-aging botanical in history. Reclaiming your health doesn't require a new invention. It requires a return to the foundations. Start with 1 or 2 of these oils and let your body tell you the rest. Drop a comment below. Will you start with the mitochondrial protection of olive oil or the cellular cleanup of black seed? I read every comment. Subscribe to Ancient Vitality, and we'll see you in the next one.